Hey everybody, today I'm showing you 3 cool perpetual motion toys. Perpetual motion is not real, violates the first and second law of thermodynamics. So you always want to be aware of that. If someone somehow invented a perpetual motion, they become a trillionaire overnight because it's such a thing that shouldn't exist. But these toys are promoted as being perpetual motion because they have a hidden mechanism, usually electromagnetic, that keeps them going. It provides a little bit of push or nudge, so it keeps the movement going as long as you have battery. This is the Swinking Sticks. So when you put it like this and there's no battery, even though it has that base and the mechanism is in there, because it doesn't have any battery, this will stop after a little bit of time. The same with this. See, it doesn't really do anything. And this, when you put the battery in there and you give it a spin, it should keep going. But when you don't have it, after a while it stops. See, even without a battery, it's still pretty cool. But when you have battery, it will keep going for a while. As far as the size, it's even much smaller. So these are not that huge. One of them uses those batteries. This one has this mechanism here that you have to open, install a 9-volt battery in there. You're going to need one of these. This has a rechargeable battery. There's a transparent version of this available as well that I've covered on the channel that shows you exactly what's going on inside. But here you just have this little button there that turns it on, and now it will work. In this case, I've installed this. I just have to line it up here. As you see, that swinging stick thing stopped. Now I just have to put batteries in it. It will do a full turn at some point. Now you've probably seen this in some movies. There's a larger version of this available as well. It's a little bit expensive. It's just much larger. Get this going. And let's get this going. It's a pretty cool desk toy if you have room for it. It does require a little bit of space for it to turn, but as long as you have battery, it will just go. And it's electromagnetic, so there are no mechanical parts that could fail. In that regard, that's a plus. That's about it. For more information, please go to Gadgetify.com, also youtube.com at Gadgetify. If you have any suggestions, toys that you think are worth testing, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to check the description for the links. I'm going to try and get my hands on even more perpetual motion, if you can call them that, toys in the future to test. I have a bunch of shorts that you may want to watch. They're 10 to 15 seconds. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. That really helps the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.